We'll fix this in a moment. It's actually really simple to fix, but this is exactly the sort of thing that's a very subtle bug. And it's so easy to forget about it or to have it regress sometime in the future. So this is a great case for writing a short test to catch this behavior, have the test go red because of the bug, and then fix it and go green. So let's generate an integration test for user's login. And now we want to write a test that captures the behavior that I just did, which is to say to submit invalid information to the login form and then click over to a different page. So let's do that. I need to refresh it, looks like. There it is. So let's write a test. Login with invalid information. Oops, I forgot the do. There we go. So let's start by visiting the login path. So that's a get login path. While we're at it, let's make some other assertions to specify the right behavior. So this here should render the template sessions new. This is nice because we've got login path, which doesn't have the controller and action, but by asserting the template, we essentially document the behavior of our application. Let's switch over to the guard window here, and we can save this and see that it's green. Now I want to post, using the post method, to the login path. And I want to give it a hash here. So the key is session, this is the params hash. Email is blank, password blank. And it should render the same template, right? It should render new again. That's right here. And what we want to do here is make some sort of assertion associated with the flash. So my favorite way to do this is not to test even the key, and certainly not the value. Because maybe I want to change this to warning instead of danger, or maybe I want to change the wording of this. But I certainly don't want the flash to be empty, so let's make an assertion for that. And then I want to visit another page, so let's just get the root path. That's what I did over here when I clicked on this, did logo. And now what I want is for the flash to be empty. So what happened here is the flash wasn't empty on that second click. So we want to save this, and this should be red because we're trying to catch that bug. Great, and now the fix is really easy. There's a special case of flash called flash.now for exactly the situation where we're rendering something rather than redirecting. So if I save this, it should be green. Great, so now we can be confident that if we should ever somehow change this, or if someone came in and changed this to warning, but forgot to put the flash.now, it'll immediately go red. Just for completeness, we can run the whole test suite to verify we're green, and then we can move on to the next step.